Welcome back, Instagram enthusiasts. Today, we'll dive into a quick tutorial on how to unmute post in your Instagram app. Whether you're following your favorite musicians or just curious about what's playing, this feature will come. Step 1, open Instagram app, unlock your phone and find the Instagram app, tap the icon to open it. Step 2, navigate to your profile. At the bottom right corner, you'll see your profile picture. Tap on it. This takes you to your Instagram profile. Step 3, access your saved posts. On your profile, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. From the menu, select Saved. This is where you'll find all your saved posts. Step 4, find the muted post. Scroll through your saved posts until you find the note or music-related post that you want to unmute. Tap on the post to open it. Step 5, unmute the post. In the post details, look for the speaker icon, usually at the bottom. Tap the speaker icon to unmute the note. You'll now be able to hear the audio associated with the post. Step 6, enjoy the sound. Adjust your phone's volume if needed. Listen to the notes, music, or any other audio content